Hey, what's going on? This is the new persona on the new beta of the Vision OS. Just a quick update, right? And as you could see, it's actually really nice. It's a lot better. You can track your eyes as well, as you could see there. Pretty cool. Even like the face expression is like way better. It's not so creepy anymore, right? My hair needs a little bit of work, but I do have a little bit of a curly, fuzzy hair, so it's pretty accurate, I would say. I got even like the double chin on there. Pretty nice. Yeah, there you go. How about the ears? How's that? Pretty good. What do you think of that? Yeah, so this is what it would look like. You can change it with the studio lighting, natural as well, right there. I like the contour. Just leave it like that. And then you can hit next. You can change the temperature of your tone there. Maybe a little bit warmer and then brighter if you wanted to. Let's just do that. And then you can also add sunglasses or glasses if you do actually wear glasses. I don't, but you can customize it to this if you wanted to wear glasses. Pretty cool, right? Let's see if they have the Meta Ray-Bans on there. I want to check it out and see if they have that. This is pretty close to it. Like that. Looks so funny. I still don't like the persona, but there you go. We got the Meta Ray-Bans on there too. Pretty cool. Even has the hands. He recognizes it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Haha. What do you guys think? This is the Persona beta still, but we are on the updated beta version of the Vision OS. So, what do you think? Is it a lot better?